Hi everyone, how you going? Today I want to talk to you about YouTube ads, the creative, i.e. the true view, skippable videos that we've been talking about over the last few weeks, and how you can use graphic overlays to make those videos pop. You know, if it was just me talking here by myself the whole time, you might get a little bit bored. So it's always nice to have some kind of call to actions and different bits and pieces that kind of, you know, brighten the video up a bit and make it a little bit more interesting. And there's a few things that we've learnt running a lot of YouTube ads that work. And the first one is bouncy arrows like this. And what these do is they show people basically where to click. And it's a tactic that's been used for a very long time, and it just flat out works, okay? So bouncy arrows are good. The next thing is a countdown timer. If you have an offer that requires scarcity or you know, a countdown, then you can do something like this, which allows you to you know, introduce scarcity into your ads. The next thing obviously is the click here type call to action. So telling people to click here like this will work pretty well too. And relevant B-roll footage. And B-roll footage is related to what you're doing, and it might be some pre-shot stuff that that you've done in the past, or it could be some stock videos or whatever that's related to your offer. And what else have we got? Consistent brand colors. That always helps, because if there's a disconnect between your ad, your video ad, and your landing page where you're sending the traffic, then people aren't going to convert. So having it all consistent makes people feel safe, and it's smart to do that. And the last thing is obviously have your logo on the video as well, because there'll be consistency between the ad and the landing page where you're sending the traffic. Okay, so, you know, pretty simple video today, but it will give you an idea of what you can do to make your videos pop if you're running a lot of pre-roll stuff. I will have a list below of where you can find all of this stuff. We'll give you a little resource guide, I guess, below the video, which will tell you where to get all these things: Motion Read, Adobe Premiere, stock footage, etc. That's about it, guys. If you want to know more about YouTube ads and building a pay-per-lead agency, then there should be a call to action button right here that you can click, or below this video somewhere, and you'll be able to watch it and learn how we build a pay-per-lead agency. Enjoy.